Ethan, where's your package?
There!
Can you show me it?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, it's so big! Can you open it? Can you open it?
Need help?
You need help?
I need help.
What do you need?
I need to see it.
Oh, can you open it? Show me. Show me how you can open it. You want up? Okay.
I get your car.
What do you
I
need?
get your garbage truck.
A garbage truck.
Oh, oh.
How are you going to open it? Ethan, how are you going to open your package? Can you do it?
What's your garbage truck? There's a bigger package.
Oh, okay. Ethan, do you need me to use, what do you need me to use to open the package?
Let's go down. Oh, to there. Oh.
Do you need me to use some scissors?
And the teacher turn. He did turn.
Okay, where's the scissors?
Okay, I'll show you. There! It's right there!
Oh, right there.
Oh, wow!
Let's get the scissors.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Okay, here you go. Here's the scissors. Okay, show me how you can open it.
I had to open it. And open the packet.
Do you need help?
No, you need to turn.
Do you want mommy to try?
No.
And then you can pull it? Do you want me to cut it so you can pull it?
No. No. There.
Good job. Okay.